In a world where millions of bacteria exist, not even Superman can save the day. He might even die.
Bacteria are everywhere, whether it's at home or at a working environment, outside or inside, on your body or in your body. It is everywhere. Everywhere you walk, every corner you turn, every locker you touch, every fountain you drink from, and every sink you use. Bacteria are there waiting for you. Bacterium are single-celled organisms that are microscopic and fall under the category prokaryotes. There are various types of bacteria, both good and bad. Each type of bacterial colony has its own environment and can all be found in various locations.
Probably you're thinking, okay, bacteria is everywhere. How can I avoid it? Well, one important thing to remember is when touching things, especially in public areas, you should always wash your hands to prevent germs from invading your body.
The girl you see now is washing her hands the improper way. She is collecting more germs on her hands than she is getting rid of. This girl is washing her hands the proper way. She turns on the water, prepares the paper towel so that she does not need to come in contact with any germs after washing her hands. Notice how she gets every inch of her fingers between her fingers and her wrist. Also notice how instead of turning off the water with her hands, she uses the paper towel. These bacteria on surfaces we touch, but they also can be found on or in our food products such as raw meats and yogurts. Meats are normally found to contain bacteria such as Salmonella and E. coli. These types of bacteria contribute to illness and food poisoning, which is why it is always important that when dealing with raw foods, we clean all surfaces that they may have came in contact with, and also that we cook our food correctly, avoiding red or uncooked meats. Although bacteria can have many negative effects on the human body, not all bacteria are bad. In fact, we actually need bacteria in order for our bodies to function normally. Believe it or not, but our body's gut is actually filled with thousands of bacteria, both good and bad. There is a balance between the two. Of course, if this balance is disrupted and there is more bad bacteria than good, that would not be good for our bodies. The bacteria in our gut is what prevents illness from occurring by helping our immune system. Also, its biggest purpose is to break down the food we intake and gather all the nutrients and vitamins from it. This is called the process of digestion. Those nutrients and vitamins are what keep our bodies moving, giving us energy and strength to get through the day. On another note, even though you might think intaking bacteria is bad, in some cases it is actually good for our bodies. If you eat a lot of yogurt, you are actually eating bacteria. These are called probiotics. When your body's natural digestive system is not doing the job, there are actually vitamins and supplements filled with bacteria for you to take.